Delta Corp, staying with that GST news flow that we were talking about, 28% GST. Now, Delta Corp is one stock that has actually seen a lot of selling pressure here. And let's go across to my colleague Aman, who's joining in with us to give us a detailed impact on, what will the company be facing in terms of the impact of this, as well as the stock. How is that looking as well, Aman?
Well, clearly, Delta Corp under acute selling pressure in trade today. It opened gap down and then locked in lower circuit and down double digits, 20% plus in today's trading session. Now, let me tell you what the GST Council in their 50th meet actually declared a 28% GST on online gaming, casino, horse racing, and this is on the full value of online gaming, horse racing and casinos. So they're doing away with that distinction of a game of skill and game of chance when it comes to online gaming. Do remember, this is going to come in as a huge blow for Delta Corp, and you can clearly see the stock, which has ferociously run up from those 2020 lows by over 250%. That is down and out in today's trading session. Now, they have close to 80% of their gross income of operations coming in from gaming operations as of FY23. They have 15% of their gross income from operations from online gaming operations coming in. That is the total revenue impact. Do remember that Delta Corp as well had ambitious plans when it came to the Delta Tech IPO. Delta Tech was looking to raise close to 550 crore rupees. Via this IPO, the company offers real money games like poker, rummy, ludo, daily fantasy sports via their platforms like Adda 52, Adda Games and Adda 52 Rummy. And this will now as well be impacted, perhaps scaled back, pushed back in terms of the timeline. Let's also hear it out then from Jaidev Modi in a conversation that I had with him around this time actually last year, where he was talking about the promising outlook from Delta Tech and the IPO.
We have different packages, and those packages will remain, and things will go on the way they were. We have an IPO which we should be launching very soon, and once that happens, we'll get a little more aggressive on acquisitions and, of course, growth of our existing platforms. We see a lot of excitement in the online gaming business, and we are just waiting to have a armory of cash which will help us to achieve our goals in online. It all depends on the timing of the IPO. We have to look at the markets, etc. We are launching roadshow, etc. very soon, and figure out what the demand is and look at market conditions and launch. Once that happens, we will look at all the options available in organic and inorganic growth. The cost of acquisition of players will go down as our volumes increase, and therefore we hope to improve our margins based on that. There is no other way. The main cost in this business is bonuses and advertising, which we will have to continue to do to make sure we can acquire more players, and that is the name of the game actually in this business.
Can I just re-record?